My daughter was having a birthday, a sleepover party, and I'm tired of dealing with air mattresses that always get holes in them. They deflate in the middle of the night. I love the bohemian look. It's nice enough that you can actually leave it out if you wanted to. Although it did come with a storage bag, I'm gonna try putting it away for the first time then. This is really soft. It actually is memory foam. And this nice print is actually printed on the mattress itself. The one drawback, I will say, it comes without the cover on, and it is a little tricky and snug to get it on for the first time. And also I plan on washing this. This is machine washable, so getting that on is gonna be a little annoying, but still, I really love this. She said it was super comfortable, no one complained, and let's try to get it in the bag and see how that works. Came with this large storage bag with handles, but I still think this might be a two-person job. I'm gonna enlist my son to help me. I rolled this up, put this in a bag. I actually had my son help me, and even then, it really is difficult fitting in. I bet if I did it a little tighter, it would go into the bag, but still it has these handles. I'm just gonna put this out of the way. You could always put a bag over it or use some straps to keep it together. Maybe you'll do a better job than me.